तुम कैरेट के बारे में बोलो।
कैरेट के बारे। Good evening, everyone. My name is Akadara. I study in LKG. Today I am presenting a role carrot. I am a carrot. My color is orange. I am a sweet vegetable. I am a corn shell. I am a tasty and crunchy. I am a full of vitamin. I am a rich in a vitamin A, mineral, fiber and many other nutrition. I am good for your eye. I am good for your health. So children, eat carrot every day. So happy and healthy. Thank you.